Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome to Alex and Maya Science Lab.
Whoa, look at all these racing cars, Maya. There are so many, I cannot even count them all.
It is a lot, Alex. But do you know what is even cooler? We can use these toys to solve some amazing math mysteries.
Math mysteries? With toys? Can toys really do addition and subtraction?
They sure can. They make math feel like a big game. Are you ready to see how it works?
I am so ready. Let's go.
First, let's talk about addition. Addition is just a fancy word for putting things together to see how many we have in total.
Okay, I have 1, 2, 3 red cars.
Perfect. Now, what if I give you 2 more blue cars? When we see this plus sign, it means we are joining the groups.
So I had 3, and now I have 2 more. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Exactly. 3 plus 2 equals 5. You just did addition with your toys.
That was easy. I want to try a bigger one.
Let's try it with these building blocks. We have 4 yellow blocks on this side and 3 green blocks on that side. Everyone watching, can you help Alex? What is 4 plus 3? Let's count them together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Did you guess 7? Great job. 4 blocks and 3 blocks make 7 blocks in total.
This is like a superpower. I'm adding everything now.
Now, Alex, what happens if some of your toys have to go home? That is called subtraction.
Taking away, so my pile gets smaller.
Yes, look at these 5 dinosaurs. This is the minus sign. It tells us to take some away. What if 2 dinosaurs stomp away to find some leaves to eat?
Oh no! Bye-bye, dinosaurs. Let's see how many are left on the table. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Subtraction is just finding out what stays behind. Let's try one more mystery together. We have 8 fuzzy teddy bears having a picnic.
But wait, 3 of them are sleepy and go to take a nap.
How many teddy bears are still at the picnic? Count them out loud with us.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bears left.
You got it. 8 minus 3 equals 5. You are a math star. Addition and subtraction are not just for toys, Alex. We use them everywhere, like when we share snacks.
Oh, if I have 6 apples and I give you 3, that is subtraction.
Exactly. Or if you find 4 seashells on the beach and I find 4 more, that is addition.
Wow, math is like a secret code for the whole world.
It really is. And here's something really cool. Did you know, long ago, before people had paper or computers, they used sticks and stones to do math. They would make scratches on bones to keep track of their animals. Time for a quick brain challenge. I will say a problem, and you shout the answer.
6 plus 2, it is 8.
10 minus 4, it is
6.
Now it's your turn. Go find your favorite toys, put them in groups to add them up, then hide some to practice subtraction.
It is so much fun. I have a little rhyme to help us remember. Add them up, bring them near. Plus means more is finally here. Take them away, watch them go. Minus makes the number low.
That was wonderful, Alex.
Thanks for learning with us, everyone. See you next time for more toy adventures.
Keep counting and keep smiling. Goodbye.